No. Dove vai?
Thomas is going to miss his mommy.
Masa, dove vai?
What you said?
Dove vai, Thomas? Andiamo al mercato?
Tell him, no, where you going? On your motorcycle, tell him.
Andiamo al mercato, nonno! Tu tu tu!